Okay, weirdly enough, the last time I made one of these short videos, it was extremely successful for whatever the heck reason. They got a Peavey PV 8.5C. It's a commercial audio amplifier. I think they're about, what, 275, 300 watts a channel. Basically, troubleshooting it very quickly. You've got your power supply, and you got some preamp driver boards and all that stuff. And it's all sort of powered separately, so it was very easy to figure out that this channel's power transformers or transistors are all shorted out. So we got a big short inside. Now what's crazy, I don't know, why did it's like I swear the guy who sent this to the music store to be looked at already knew this. See, we have technician doodling there. We have the word short written right there in crappy marker, and then we have like markings for R and Y, which would be like red and yellow, so the guy knew where to put the wires back. So somebody's already been here and diagnosed this. It still looks like the original transistors, but okay. So what is this camera? This camera's like insistent on being very zoomed in. But, I mean, it's very possible to fix this. You can get compatible transistors. You might have to go the NTE route. When I looked for these particular transistors, there's 8 of them, 4 of each type. They're complementary pairs. On this channel, they're the genuine PV part ones, which are actually Motorola or on semis. They're like $15 a piece, like $12, $13, $14, something like that. The actual same part number is generally discontinued all over the place. Of course, there's some on eBay coming directly from China. You want to trust those. Or there's the NTE version. So unfortunately, these little buggers are $10, $11, $12 a piece. So times 8, you know, we're looking at probably over $100 just for the transistors, and you know, Lord knows what else we got to deal with. So on stuff like this, I always just look it up on Reverb or something like that and see what the going is on it. And these things are bringing, I think, like 175 is the least expensive one that works, I guess. I've seen, you know, 200, 250. Something like that. So it, yeah, this is one that I don't know if Buddy's going to be eager to get this repaired or not. I'm going to think probably not.